welcome yet again to another mix here. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Well, Dwayne is still speaking about Kris, and he said that Kia has nothing to really lie about because Kia is close to the family or close to Kasim. And so, because of that, she would have been telling the truth. But, guys, you're going to have to go ahead and hear what Dwayne has to say about the situation. He said he's not into mixing flour, sugar, butter, but he's into mixing people. And he's saying basically that Kris deserves what he is getting at the moment. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video. And he also mentions in the video Tina Chen. He was saying that, asking her to unblock him on Facebook because basically, he is hot now. He's not doing the hot and cold thing anymore. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video. Hear what he has to say about this with Kia and what's transparent between Kris and her. And remember to like, guys, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell up there in the top somewhere. So when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, happy, happy, happy birthday to you. And I wish you prosperity and all your heart desires this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my flowers, do enjoy your day today. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Enjoy this your day like you've never, ever experienced life before. Have a great one.
Respected not only Keon, but Kazim.
Breaking.
And yes, Kazim might feel a type of way.
Breaking news.
Expected he could, but we are not going to allow Kazim husband, that is a minus to his life.
Whipping, me tell you already, I like to mix. I mix people, right? And in theme case, him deserve to get mixed and mix damn good to me. I don't mix egg, I don't mix flour, I don't mix sugar, I don't mix butter. Me mix people. And him, in a theme case, him deserve this. Hello? Him deserve it. Let us hear why them banning backside from America. Come here.
To attack nobody around him and get away because of Kazim name. Kris used to scam.
On a year.
That is why he was banned from America.
On a year.
He used to sublet the government house that the government put him to stay in. He used to sublet. And that is scamming, collecting government money and living in government houses and then taking it and using money.
No. Come. We need 100 likes before we get the scoop. Bring it up to 100. Come on the tap. Tap. The likes are free. Only I on myself alone, and YouTube's gonna know who like. Not me. Nobody. Just uno alone. Come. We need 40, 31. No. 40 more now. 40 more now. We didn't need 40 before. 40 more now. 40 more. He said he was cursing the immigration. Tina, remember, he said he cussed them in America and them put him in that holding room and whatever. Now we're getting the real scoops to know why he was banned from America. This is the real tea. People tell us something. You see this girl Kia. I don't think she has no need to come in line. And on here another breaking part. Because someone else is gonna come talk. Right? I'm not gonna show you how hypocritical these people are. I'm gonna show you guys something else too. The people who claim they're all in one team, they are damn hypocrites. I'm telling you. Hello. We're good over here, so we're not bash. Hello, we're good over here, so. On Tina Chin, please unblock me on Facebook. Tina Chin, please unblock me on Facebook, right? Just know ain't no switching ever again, my girl. We're good now. We are damn good now. You understand? We're good over here, so. Yes, damn good. We know which part we're there now. Even if it was out here, like, hot and cold. Now we're gonna stay hot. Hot. Scotch bonnet pepper hot. HOTTT hot. Yes. Come here, go with the story.
off of it, scamming the government of money.
Let's go back. Let's go back a little bit. Oh, God.
Put your clean husband.
All right.
You minus.
No, okay. What if guy eat?
You understand?
No. What if guy eat? Eat or two. All right.
I will drag you, Kris. Broken fucking bet.
Oh, should I come out every show?
Fucking night.
No, Teenage, the real question, how is it that 13 in defender, here come to defend us 13, now come out to come defend. 13, I will go on. 13. Bigfoot. Oh, you not come defend Kris yet. I will go on. You not get enough money now. You not make enough money again. I will go on. Not him not give. You not make enough money again. I will go on. Come out, my girl. Come out. Come defend him against Kia. Because I want Kia drag you too. I want her drag your backside. And show you it's not a drag. It's a one big mouth. One big loud mouth. Yes. One big loud cow pump mouth. Just like your boss. Yes, darling. Come here.
Kia, why was he banned from America? Let me give you the story. Good trending drama, Dwayne. And Keon will also give you the story when Keon decides to come, because I'm going to make sure Keon don't hold back. Because he disrespected not only Keon, but Kazim. And yes, Kazim might feel like type of way. He's expected and he could, but we are not going to allow Kazim husband.
I don't know.
That is a minus to his life. To attack nobody around him and get away because of Kazim name. Kris used to scam. That is why he was banned from America. He used to sublet the government house that the government put him to stay in. He used to sublet. And that is scamming, collecting government money and living in government housing and then taking it and using money off of it. Scamming the government of money. You are going to be charged with fraud. You never had no bacchanal with no immigration officer, and no immigration officer didn't stop you from coming to America. It's fucking scamming and fraud. Why? You had no visa to go to fucking America. So stop with the fucking lies. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And it have many more. Come off a grinder. You're calling yourself a married husband? Come off a fucking grinder. Well, listen now, Curleen. Here, Keon. I will come with the bacchanal when I reach London. Curleen, here. What?
Hold on. Let me expatiate on the whole grinder topic. On the first live where Ryle then bring... Hold on, I give one super chat. On the first live where Ryle then bring down and it's my plank then bring down, it was exposed that Majesty is allegedly on grinder. I selling bottom. Yeah, I selling body. In the pan grinder, I selling. And I'm going to say, someone did tell me Dwayne in the pan grinder. And one time someone showed me a screenshot of him on grinder. Me not call this man coming on. I don't know, but people no problem. But I am not saying he was on grinder then. I selling bottom. But just no say, them show me a screenshot of him pan grinder. I don't know why in the pan it. I don't know what was the reason. But I know saying the pan the picture was grinder and in the pan grinder for true. And if you know, come here, she say. In the pan grinder, I sell him by the night first live, but then take down. You know, I really do hope that live stream come. I hope it come back. I hope it come back. That I want that one. I want it. Because there's a lot of stuff in that live stream. I'm telling you, a lot. A whole lot. She spoke a lot of stuff. She has said, Iman buy Kazim a mother-in-law 1 second and washing machine. But people, the question is, how is it possible? You say you have purse. You have purse, but you buy people second and washing machine. Like, come on now. Where the purse there? Mr. Kia, you find the purse when I look for it? Because clearly, what you're saying, the purse been MIA for a minute now. Oh, God of my pastor. Hey, we don't mix up, man. Lord Jesus.
Tell Keon, I said, no. You will be coming Ash fucking Wednesday. And I will be giving it to Keon because at the end of the day, you heard Boujou. When you heard Boujou,
I should.
Get what the fuck you deserve.
You know, but you know why? Yesterday, she left the live stream up. I didn't know today there was going to come for the damn live stream like this. I'm a Bex. I'm so freaking Bex.
Going to Keon have to come tomorrow, and I want all it to stay tuned and
Stay
prepare all the
tuned.
fucking drinks and popcorn.
I
because
am.
Kris will be put in she place once and for all. Keon have to come tomorrow wherever he's flying, to Tobago, to wherever. I am going to make sure he comes. You hear?
I'm gonna follow Keon
Okay.
this night. I'm gonna follow him.
I
I
am
know,
going to
like-
make sure, because he disrespect Keon, he disrespect Kazim, he disrespect Kazim mother, he disrespect Keon mother in many ways, and he disrespect Kazim mother plenty by posting stuff that will degrade Kazim mother. You don't try to degrade people fucking mother, and because nobody don't tell you nothing. I should have know all them things you was doing. I would have cussed your mother a long time. All you must come and tell me now. I bet you
Shan, is this new? Is that video new? Lord.
front nobody place and tape the house again. You broken back fucking Kris. I want everybody here, when they see anything that mother can do or fucking say to belittle anybody, come and tell me. I will take time out my life and address she broken mother can. I will do it. I promise all you, I will fucking do it. From now, she will know she fucking place. It could have been Tina, it could have been trending drama. As long as he go and he attack people and he feel he can be little, come and tell me. I will cuss your fucking cake pan high stomach mother cunt. You big belly Kris.
Alright, baby,
You big belly sour pum face. Your face set up like it's you pum. You always looking like you is the one that pum in the room, because so your face sour like you know, oops, I farted. You're walking around with a oops, I pum face. You understand?
Like it. I choose
your face always looking like you're guilty of pumping in a fucking room. But you're coming on fucking social media. Royal? What fucking royal? I am going to share Keon live, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to share it. When Keon is going live, I am going to share it. So stay tuned, put on all the notifications, and I will give all your heads up tomorrow.
We can't tap this, so. So to backside, people, make a reason. How is this possible? Majesty, who said him love Kazim, can't buy Kazim a brand new washing machine. Even better, why is it that Kazim cannot buy him own mother a brand new washing machine? Do you guys remember when Majesty said if Kazim wants the money, he have to come to him? Because, you know, to the account. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Hey, this thing is just hilarious. It's flipping funny. Listen, right now, I'm just having fun. I'm having fun. Yes. Donna, my girl. Donna, I'm giving you a break here. Donna, I'm giving you a break, okay? I'm gonna give you a break because yes, I understand there's more spice happening right now, so we are give you a break right now. I understand? We'll move on to like greener pastures for a little bit. And then now, if at another point more turn it by your back, but turn it back by your back. For now, I'm giving you a break here because we are what more pressing matters for I attend to, and you're gonna stay over there for a little bit. You understand, my girl? Yes. I don't name up myself now for a minute. Say thanks to Kia. And thanks to the people that do a little mix up. But then you cannot read me. You cannot read me. I can turn right back. Just like that. Just turn right back. And come right over there, so. Donna says it's the devil's playground. Hello, she's the head devil. She's the head devil. The head one. Let's be real about the part there. Why? Hey, this is... I don't know what to say to back said. Only can go 35 more likes. Okay, 100 likes. What I want over here. I want to stay, so. You know, every day I go to mix, I'm going to mix up, mix up. I don't know how long, so. I can't with that. At least me I try. Honestly, I am trying. Lord God. I want to say something. I just remember, how is it possible? Majesty out here call people criminal, and him is a damn criminal him damn self. It's just that we didn't know how far his criminality, his criminal actions, his criminal activity goes until Kia come out and come bust it out of the water, saying that America do scam and then ban him for America for the whole year, then they ban him backside. Cause him over there him did that scam. So how that go? How that fake chef not running around in the comments defending? Because right now, in belly hurt him. All of them is having bellyache. That's them going around and doing the most to people because them feel like say they are the flipping holy grail. Not realizing say them is nothing more than cow shit and hog shit and goat shit and dog shit and push shit and all kind of shit mixed up in a one. That's the facts of life. Yes. True story. How is it possible him out here discriminate people for having a record when him did have a record too for scam? And other things, I'm sure. Because if him out here scam, that means he was out here doing other things too. No? So how is it possible him out here drag people? Because people, not most of us, we do things because A, we are looking for some kind of green pasture. We're broke, we're hungry, we're pauperized, and to get out of that hole, we have to do one little wrong doing, forget an opportunity, right? So how is it possible uno out here beat other people for them wrongs and like say uno realize say uno the wrongs too? How is that possible? So what I'm not hypocrite. And Kris, let me tell you, this fake life you out here live, it's like a sister. It's catching up on all of it. It's catching up. Because on cannot maintain it. And on cannot keep up with the fake life on what you're going with. That's what I'm telling you, me from the beginning. Anything on the see is what to get. That's what I'm coming to me. That's my cripple. Me a cripple. I've always said it. And anything on the see, something go to me look stink. Something I come out here, I look stink. Even if I don't stink, me look stink. Me look unkept. But me in the business. It is better to live within my means than come out here and fake something. Me know me cannot keep up. No, I am not a backside. Fake life bring disgrace. Let me be in a cripple. Be this make that disgrace me enough. I know disgrace me again because I'm comfortable now. You understand? But then on the other hand, 5,000. Me spend 5,000 for God Trinidad. Me spend 5,000 for God Trinidad. And we know say a flag got Trinidad and body pass. How does that work? How? Yes, me not gonna say you don't buy, you don't pay for your hotel or your Airbnb, because that you'd have to pay for. But the airfare, you don't pay for that. You go and stand by. If a seat available, you get the seat. But if you don't see, you understand? And them for stop it. Them should stop it. Them should stop it. I love Kia. Me follow Kia back, so me follow him. And I dog up Majesty in that comment. I don't like him. I will never like him either. No, in Wicked. Because when it can see I promote people for cost people, that man would do anything. And if you come here, Kia say no. This is how it's always been from start. Right? And draw him and make look at him doing. He might do it. Oh no go away. Him is damn doing it. Majesty is wicked. One of them is wicked. True story. And I have confirmed that they are wicked. That's why me not look upon them. I blag. Yeah. Them a blag, me a blag. Last that's all the way a blag. Who want come, who want come, go on to the business like that. Simple. Anyways, people, as I thought, I download that video now, cause me something going. I have something going, I gotta download it. I don't want to go take it down. Cause we are coming with it tomorrow. Here come to defend Majesty come out, it seems. Yeah, she hungry. She needs some food, she hungry. So she come out, come defend him, it seems. We'll get that video there, just in case you can take it down. Now come down, I have it. I having it. And my caption is gonna be the best caption of all captions. Yeah, I have a if you want to say that true, me have a caption in my head already. I'm gonna work with. I don't hate nobody, Ines. I don't hate nobody. I hate their ways. I don't hate them, I hate their ways. That's it. I cannot hate people. I cannot hate people. Not my thing, my girl. But I have the video what we need now. When Kia said him did a angry. We know why you yet. See you later. When Kia said him did angry, the other and himself. Anyways, people, God bless. I'm gonna chat to my lover now. Okay, my lover was blowing up my phone. I'm gonna go talk to them right now. So I'll see you guys maybe later or first thing in the morning. Cause I know so we have a lot of mix-up going on, a lot of mix-up. And Dana, for the last time, I'm give you a break for a minute now. You're getting a break for a minute here because you can go up in the back burner for a minute. You can go up in the back burner for a minute. Yeah, because we have more pressing matters going on right now. Yes, my girl. Anyways, good night. I love. What did I give one super? Oh no, come on, somebody give one super jump before me go away. Somebody give one $10. One person give one $10. Can I get what 24 more likes? More 100 likes, and I want $10. $10 better than no dollar. Two somebody give me $5 each. Can I get 23 more likes? I'm not begging you, I'm asking you. Only you and YouTube alone gonna know that you like live stream. Only YouTube alone. Keep the money, give me the likes. 22 more. That is not like that. You have to double tap on the screen. Double tap on your screen.